So, how do you sign up for Reddit Premium on mobile? So, let's start off by going to the Reddit application. Now, as you can see, we have already logged in our account. Now, if to get premium on Reddit, you would need to go to the top right. Now, here you just need to click on the Reddit Premium down below. So, if you can see, it's right here. Now, the The price range of this Reddit Premium depends on the country you are currently in. So for my country, it costs about 365 pesos, or let's say almost $10. So after you pick your plan for the Reddit Premium, you just need to click on it and confirm monthly subscription. So after you've gone through the monthly subscription, you can choose a payment method that's currently logged into your Play Store account. Now you could either go for a credit card, debit card, PayPal, or your Shopee Pay, GCash, or Maya. So this is just mobile wallets. So it typically depends on the country you are in. So that's how you basically get Reddit Premium. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.